Good times.
All right, let's do this. Welcome to the show. It is a Wednesday morning and the 24th of June. You're listening to Good Times here with Lex and myself. Kay should be here any second, so it'll make the three of us. No Bam this week, just kind of early scheduling. And Mara's back on Monday. No Bam this week because he's on his way to Tacloban today. So, and rightfully so because of what happened down there. So that is the lineup. Good morning, brother. How are you? Yeah, no, I agree. You're on mute. Well, you're not on mute. Your microphone is like not connected because I can see that you're not on mute, but we'll get to him in a second. Let's say hi to the people on Discord, discord.2g/goodtimesradio. Wherever you are around the world, you want to hang out with us for the next couple hours, please do. You can add your opinions on our chat room. You can watch us on video. It's a whole lot of fun. Magic 89.9 for the rest of you guys that are driving in your cars. It's 6:34. We should...
Okay na.
There we go. Yeah, you sound good. There we go.
Yan,
What's up, man?
Naligo kasi ako. May flight ako Iloilo. See you Iloilo.
What time are you going?
Mamaya pa. Mga 11:30 pa. So, tapusin natin to radio and yun.
How long are you gonna be there?
Hindi, overnight lang.
So, wala ka bukas?
Baka hindi ako. Hindi, magre-radio ako pero via cellphone.
What's this airport? On the way to the airport, something like that. Okay, cool. Sounds good. All right. Well, the big question, of course, is: did you watch last night? Because that was your assignment.
Finally.
And before we break it down, because I want to wait for Kay. Just kind of like a general. It was amazing. It was okay. Wow. It felt like a finale because I think it did feel like a finale. I was saying that yesterday. No. I think maybe the frustration most people had with House of the Dragon Season 2 is maybe this first episode should have been the finale of the last episode. But I wanted to get your just kind of early take here before Kay gets here. Did you love it?
Hindi ko na-appreciate yung impact ng battle kasi parang yung momentum ba, tama dapat sa last yun episode ng second season. Kasi dapat tinuloy-tuloy nila yun para yung build-up. Yun ang ender. Bang! Yan ang ender dapat yung first episode.
This should have been the finale for the last season.
Yes.
But kasi it was kind of nice to have a big episode for the first episode, right?
Ang problema kasi mo, yung emotion na build mo buong season, yun dapat ang pang finale na to. Kasi opening pa lang to, wala, parang human nature. Parang ang tagal natin di nagkita eh. Tapos biglang gugulatin mo ako ng ganyan. Hindi.
You're saying there's too much action for a first episode?
No. Ang ibig sabihin yung emotion na binibuild up mula si episode 1 to episode something, di ba? 7 lang naman ang episode niyan, 6 to 7. Di ba? Matsatsaga mo yun, bam, 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 tapos sa dulo, bam! Ito ngayon, pinahinga ka. Baga sa nag-split muna kayo ng shota mo. Kahit ang ganda ng sex nyo ngayon, ang tagal natin, wala tayong emotional, wala tayong mga ganun eh. So, ang opinion ko nagandaan ako sa eksena, alam ko, kaya lang kulang ako sa, ano ulit to? Bakit nga ulit to Bakit nga ulit na ganito?
So you did not watch the recap?
Hindi ko nagtiwala ako dun sa alaala ko.
Memory.
Kasi yung recap, medyo another effort yun eh. Ayun nga ang pinoproblema, ayun nga sinasabi ko. Dapat walang ganun eh. Dapat wala nang ganun na kaya nakasira yun kasi panoorin mo yung recap tapos peki na yung build up ng emosyon mo eh.
So far though, in its defense, it is the highest rated House of the Dragon episode for now, meaning it is the most loved one. I think that maybe, the second to the last episode of last season may have been one or whichever one that there's some kind of dragon battle scenes, but this one's got to be up there, man. I get what you're saying, but I absolutely loved it. Maybe that little gap of time, big gap of time between the two seasons makes me forget any kind of disappointment that I may have had. But I don't remember being disappointed. But listen, I'm also the same guy that defends the entire Game of Thrones. I know I've said this a million times, but everybody who hates the last season, I'm okay with it because I just enjoy all parts of this franchise. I don't break it down too much as an artist. I don't have really a deep kind of I don't have a deep perspective of things like character arc, and I don't look at the acting. I don't do any of that stuff. I am as kind of blissfully stupid about the entire experience, and I love it for that.
Eto lagyan ko na lang ng analogy ulit para maintindihan nyo. Alam ba, magkaaway tayo. Magsusuntukan sana tayo ngayon. Ang ginawa natin, nag-vacation muna tayo. Mga ilang months. Pagbalik natin, magsusuntukan ulit tayo. Pero salo, bakit nga ulit tayo magsusuntukan? Naalala mo, di ba? Yung shota ako, niligawan mo. Oo, galit ako sa'yo. Hindi na authentic yung galit kasi iba pa rin, kahit na-recap ka sa tingin ko Sa tingin ko it's the continuity and Kaya yung kahit ang ganda ng laban, medyo yung mga natatakot mag-recap, wag na kayo makinig ngayon kasi madudulas talaga ako na may namatay na naman.
Yeah,
diba?
yeah. No,
pero sa tingin ko yung dalawa na hindi, yung karakter na yun, hindi umepekto sa akin yun. Sa totoo lang yung namatay.
Si Jace, you mean Jace?
Si Jace. Hindi wala siyang dating. Wala siyang dating sa akin. Yung dalawang magkapatid na yun, talagang binild up sila para maging mahina na character. In terms of impact din, yung tapos 3 araw, tug. Di ba, masakit sana yun. Di ba, kung si tatay ni yung ni Jon Snow, yung pinatay doon sa may yung pinugutan ng ulo. Di ba, ramdam na ramdam mo yung karakter niya. Ba't pinatay? Ito, wala eh. Wala.
I was getting into this kind of a bit of a episode debate with the Beebs, and she was saying like how stupid Jace was, and look, I completely, I get where he's coming from. Protect your mom, protect the queen by all costs. I don't understand why the Knights Guard didn't allow her out when she is essentially the boss, but I do see where he's coming from. But kind of like what I said yesterday, it's a bunch of kids who are not battle tested, who don't know what to do with their weapons, who really are maybe terrible military, strategist, and it ends up in their demise.
Sa di ba, naalala mo, nagka-practice silang dalawa, tapos nagkita-kita silang di ba, magkaibigan sila dati, kay anak na long hair, yung dalawang, di ba yung long hair ngayon yung may patch sa mata, yung talagang kita mong kakatakutan mo, di ba? Silang dalawa, boy band sila eh. Kalaban nila metal eh. Tapos, alam mo, sa totoo lang, si Raulo yung babae na may dragon na hindi pa pala niya napapasunod yun. Tinira lahat, walang pinili eh. Yun ang nagpahama kay Jace.
Yeah, of course, because Jace had to go save
inaabol siya ng dragon eh.
He's trying to umiiwas siya ng dragon, and then at the same time,
may tumitira sa kanya eh.
Yeah, that's 100% her fault. Well, the dragon's fault.
Yung bata na yun, di ba? Yung bata na yun na
pinakain. It's a wild dragon. It's never been ridden. So yeah.
Siya nga yung pinapakain ng kambing eh. Baliktad niya eh.
Kids and weapons. Not a good.
Pinanood-nood nyo ako ngayon, tapos tinan nyo ngayon yung reaction ko ngayon. Pinakain ka ng baliktad yung dynamics eh. Akala ko nung pinakain siya ng goat. Buti nga alam ng dragon na kailangan luto eh. Sinunog pa eh, di ba? Shock. Doon pa lang sabi ko, yari ka, hindi yan ang boss mo. Tapos sinakyan mo, maraming tinirang maraming tinira. Tapos yung tatay, hindi ko alam kung patay na. Kasi
we don't know that yet.
Diba? Pero
maybe book readers know, but I don't know. I didn't read the book, so I have no idea where we are with the sea snake surviving or not. I'm assuming also any of those next week on House of the Dragon. If you've watched that, maybe you'll know, but I didn't watch any of those things either, so I have no idea what happened to him. Okay, so the
pero
question
tama ba?
is,
Bumaliktad, para bang bumaliktad yung babae, parang nagsolo na siya. Parang ganun eh, parang yung babaeng yung matindi. Yung kalaban ng tatay, tapos yung anak na tumapo.
Namatay siya.
Oo nga, namatay siya, pero may sinabi siya na wala na, parang, ano ba niya, di niya tinuloy yung, parang,
well, she had a personal
diba?
vendetta against the sea snake. So any of the things that were in the contract regarding her role in this battle, that's where she was in breach. Because she was, I mean, the way I understand it, because she was so focused on getting the sea snake, which again probably contributed to her death as well. So, yeah, she's.
Diba?
I mean, she was a short-lived, a pretty strong character for a one-weeker. I mean, for one episode. I mean, she's like kind of was rather impressive, really powerful. I don't remember seeing her in other episodes. So, I mean, for her short stint, she was actually really effective.
Nakapatay tuloy siya ni Anton Walker. Kamukha ng Anton Walker yung anak di ba? Saka pare pag may nalalaglag doon sa tubig, dapat lunod yung mga ang bibigat ng mga ng mga armor nila. Yun ang mga medyo nagko-question ako. Tapos hinalikan nung anak yung nanay. Doon ako na tension, pare.
Yeah.
Hinalikan. Teko tong palabas na to, ipupush talaga yung boundaries. Pero agree ako sa'yo doon, ba't kinulong? Ako alam mo, sinabi ng nanay, tapos yung queen ko, nagsisigaw sa kwarto na, puputulan kita ng ulo, papalabasin ko yung nanay, men. Papalabasin ko yung nanay. Boss ko yun.
Let's take a break. I wanted to play a clip, but I don't think Alvin's ready. I've been sending him messages on Viber. Alvin, if you get a chance, can you do it? Maybe we'll see if we can squeeze it in next gap. But we got to take a break. It's 6:44. You are listening to Good Times here, Magic 89.9. Don't go away. Back after this.
Good Times.
Set you're in at 6:51 on Wednesday morning. Good Times here, Magic 89.9. Alex and myself. Does not look like Kay is here. We will see if she wakes up, find out what the excuse is regarding alarm clocks or whatever. But does it irritate you, Lex, that Sam is very much awake since 6 a.m., could easily jump on Zoom to hang out with us because we know she's messaging us on the GC. It's just like she's flooding our messages.
Nangaasar pa nga.
Oh. Does it irritate you that she can easily come in here? Diba? Listeners, aren't you on our side? She's like, I feel like I'm FOMO. And I'm like, deserve it, girl. Look, she just sent another message. Oh. Miss you all. Purple green hearts. Oy, anong oras na? Oy, late kayo. It's like... And I was telling Sam, like, Sam, we have all of these food topics now that you're gone. These past few days have been heavy on food topics. And she's like, oh, I feel like I'm missing out. I'm like, yeah, we're here. You can jump in.
Si Mara nga. Si Mara pala, update lang guys. Nasa Malaysia siya. Yan.
She'll be here Monday.
Nag-uusap silang dalawa ng alas 11 ng gabi about durian.
Oh my God, they were sending all these durian photos and all of that stuff. And every single one I see, it's just... I mean, the bigger it is, the bigger the durian piece, like the more disgusted I am when I see it. And it's funny because I was messaging somebody here in the chat, the chat thread regarding their breakfast. They said, tocino, and I was like, oh man, I forget tocino is like the greatest thing ever, right? But I don't like the big cuts of tocino. So I think the cut of the meat matters, Lex. And I don't know if you feel the same way. Like, iba kung chicken, papatayin mo yung chicken, tapos when you look at the parts look all weird. You're like, hindi na masarap, even if it's the same animal. Diba?
Agree ako din. Ako, pag kumakain ako ng karne, mas gusto ko yung mas smaller the better. Halimbawa, nagpunta ako doon sa roast beef. Ayokong hihiwaan mo ako. Huwag mo na hiwain. Yung mga nalaglag na yan sa gilid, kunin ko yan.
Yeah, burnt ends.
Tapos yung tocino na yan, ayoko ng malalaki. Gusto ko yung maliliit na
tocino.
Gusto ko
it's like a horror film.
Ang adobo, gusto ko yung mga nasa dulo na yung karne. Ayoko yung mga solid na karne. Gusto ko yung, na masarap eh.
If you go to a barbecue place, you can order that. And it's called burnt ends. Yeah. And that's really all the kind of the edges and stuff like that. Because they're usually cooked a little bit crispier. But you're right. The smaller the meat, the better.
Yes.
That's what she not said. And maybe just the steak. No, but even with the steak, right? A huge steak, hindi siya masarap. Even a smaller steak tastes a little bit better.
Let me correct doon sa itong mga Discord natin. Yung adobo flakes, ang intention niya kasi, lutuin siya na parang maliit. Mali yun. Dapat, ang intention mo, lumuto ng malaking karne. Tapos yung mga matitira doon, yun ang goal. Hindi yung sasadyain mo. Iba na rin yun. Iba yun. Hindi ganon. Hindi nyo kami naintindihan.
Yeah, and that's where the ends come from, right? You have a big thing that you're making, whatever it may be. I just want the sides.
Oh.
And then sa'yo na yung lahat.
Sa Fogo de Chao.
Yeah.
Sa Fogo de Chao, ang sinasabi ko sa kanila lagi, di ba? May nag-iikot ng karne doon, nasa steak.
Yeah.
Ayoko yung malaki. Gusto ko yung nasa labas. Yung nasunugan, doon pinapano ko, malipis na malipis. Sarap nun. Ang sarap nun.
Yeah, but the problem with that though, Lex, is every time they go to a table with their meat, they'll see may mga
cut na.
thin lines of cut, yung just at those edges.
Tinatanggihan ko. Hindi ako kumukuha.
Is Calleja here? Oh, done. Table 7. Okay. That's good. No wonder.
Oh.
Kay's awake. Here we go. Kay's awake. Let's figure out what the thing is.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think blanket statement all around.
Oh.
Smaller, the cuts matter when it comes to the meat. The smaller is better, yes, Lex. But I also need traditional cuts.
Oh, okay.
Like, I don't want you to create your own thing.
Wag. Kailangan na doon siya kasi pampatanggal niya na, balik nga ako sa malalaki. Tapos hanapin ko ulit. Parang Andox. Ang Andox, di ba pinapachop yun?
Yeah.
Ayoko ng malalaki. Gusto ko yung nalaglag niya doon sa... Boss!
Oh, yeah.
Isama mo yan, boss. Isama mo yung pinachapan na yan. Huwag mo, kasama yan. Kasama sa manok yan. Ilagay mo yan. Yun ang masarap. Yun ang masarap, promise. Kaya dapat makaisip ang nun yung mga Andox, Bacolod, yan na, sinama ko Bacolod, Baliwag. Na pag nag-chop kayo, ipunin niyo yung mga Sarap nun.
Yeah, and they throw it away. They'll get their cleaver and then they throw it. No, that's what I want. But yeah, smaller is better when it comes to your meat.
Meat, oo.
Yeah.
Nagutom na naman ako, Mohan.
Sorry.
Aga nito.
What's the food like in Iloilo? Is it considered good food?
Yeah, inasal ko ng mga
Bacolod
inasal
is the star of the area, right?
Inasal, kansi, nata yun eh.
Yeah. We'll see. Hopefully it's good.
Tingnan natin. Batchoy pala, yung pala. Lapas Batchoy yan.
Batchoy is Iloilo.
Oo. May may borderline ako sa atay eh. Yung may atay liver, parang may...
No. Ew. Okay. Yeah, go.
Ang Batchoy kasi may atay yun, kaya lang pag nasobran, like ang minudo, sige, konting atay, pero pag na-overpower niya na yung buong minudo, medyo hindi ko na nagugustuhan. Ang atay lang, ang kinakain mo na good for...
Anti-atay.
Ang atay lang, ang kinain mo na good for atay also. Oo. Eating liver is good for the liver. Sabi ko, sa wakas.
Remember my reality show though. It takes atay to be gumatay. So please watch it when we launch our... in response to It Takes Guts to be Gutierrez, it takes atay to be gumatay. So it's definitely check it out when we start doing that.
Yun, ano ba mga pagkain na sinasabi nila na weird?
Kay's a little mad. Sorry to throw another topic. Kay's a little mad at this. I think somebody made an AI version of House of the Dragon inspired video. So she's like, nakakainis to. I mean, she just sent the message. Kay, it'd be nice if you just jumped in. But I think she's taking every little detail regarding whatever show she was on. But I think we have this clip. Alvin, do we got this clip? This was kind of like an AI...
Game of Thrones.
House of the Dragon with Cardell. I mean, I thought it was very cool. Let's press play.
House of Fortaleza. Ayan, oh. Okay talaga. Pag may nag-eyeliner, tumatapang ang mukha ni ko.
Oh? Yeah. Yeah, we know that one. Damage. Here she comes. There's Kay. I would like to see that character against Robin Hood.
Gubat
Green Arrow.
Sige.
Or whatever. Mami.
Ang tagal ko nag-react eh. Sinauna-una si Robin Hood. Parang...
Di ba Robin Hood yun? Green Arrow, whatever. Kay's gonna be here.
Yung mga Green Lantern, na wala akong interest dun. Oh, parang
Green Lantern, I liked Green Lantern.
yung may nagsusuot ng sing-sing.
Yeah, but I get why he's not like.
Hindi.
I get how kind of it might even be stupid. But I think when I was a kid, as I was picking characters who to follow, I loved Superman,
Oh.
and I really enjoyed Iceman. Like Iceman, I loved Iceman, and then I did like Green Lantern quite a bit. But I think if you Cyclops, if you kind of lined up my superhero preference, Wolverine as well. Geez, so sorry, quite a bit. But if you were gonna kind of line them up in order of who I like the most, to the best, I mean, it might be Iceman, Superman, Wolverine, Lantern would be kind of my group. Cyclops, Lantern, maybe Storm. Like that was my group.
Ako medyo kino-question ko lang yung mga powers nila. Parang nilalagyan ko ng logic kaya medyo nababad trip ako sa iba. Wolverine, di ba? Parang gano'n.
Yeah. If you do that, if you do that, it's gonna mess with your brains. Like I mean, like when we talked about like Superman being unbeatable because he's a god. I mean, you gotta have to make him a little bit vulnerable. But if you think about it, he beat most of them.
Oo, unbeatable siya eh.
Yeah, easily
Diba?
beat most of them. Unless it's,
Cyclops
he goes up
naman.
against the one that takes his powers. You know, who's that? Would that be like Phoenix or no? Is it Jean Grey who may do that, or Rogue? Somebody takes their power, right? I think it's Rogue, and then maybe you're a little bit more equal. But I don't know. It's Superman's like king. of all that stuff.
Si Cyclops laging on yung power. Wala siyang control doon. Tanggalin mo yung shades doon. Pipikit lang siya. Kasi pag binuksan niya, matitira niya lahat eh. Di ba napaka-bobong powers yun? Totoo lang, di ba? Parang siya si Randy Santiago ng mga superheroes. Di ba si Randy Santiago naka-shade?
Yeah.
Oh, di ba?
Yeah.
Di ba?
I think he's got. Is there a new Cyclops movie coming out or something? I thought I could have sworn I saw maybe a trailer with him. Not 100% sure though. Hey, speaking of celebs, one thing we haven't had a chance to talk about this week that occurred over, was it the weekend? I think was the Starista Gallery. Did you see this? This was not a wax museum for celebrities, but it was kind of like a resin. It was like a resin of some kind. There it is, the Starista Gallery in Star City. And it selected a bunch of Filipino celebrities and created a bit of, it's not wax, right? It's resin. I don't really know the
Kahit
difference.
ano ba yan mo?
Yeah, it doesn't matter what it is. But we've been talking about this recently on the show, I guess over the past year or so, that if you get a statue, it has to be ugly, because that's ever since we've seen the Ronaldo, we saw the Dwayne Wade, we saw a couple other super high profile A-list GOAT level athletes have statues that were ugly. I mean, really terrible looking. Beckham, Ronaldo, they were all so bad that it has now become a status symbol if you have a bad statue.
Yes.
Like if I'm that's the current trend. You get a statue, pero kailangan pangit. Kung hindi siya pangit, you're not one of the goats.
Oo, kaya nga statue yan eh. Para pag nakita nila, statue? Parang ganun.
Yeah, statue? Who's that? Statue? So, I guess Starista's just following the trend. They selected a handful of celebs and they made a collection of the worst statues you will ever see. Man, these things are horrific. It's so bad. So bad that the manager apologized to Pops Fernandez specifically, because Pops was horrific. But we'll look at them one by one. And this is going to be some random order, Lex. I don't know if you've seen all of these, but Alvin, go ahead. Just go ahead and let's just go kind of one by one.
Kamukha ng kumari ko yan eh. Pag nasabi, ewan ko alam ng kumari ko yan. Tuwan-tuwa siguro yun. Uy, may statue.
I don't even know where to start. But Duling, yeah, somebody said looks like Mar Rojas. Or is that, no, okay. The nostrils are flared, so parang may naamoy yata na, I mean,
Ito, may ano
yung
mo.
Duling talaga, Lex, yung laki ng ulo. Ay,
napaka ano talaga ng social media world, no? Bigay na natin yan. Pero may hindi lang ako nagustuhan. Ng konti lang doon sa sinabi nung artist. Sana, parang imbis na tinanggap na, of course, may mga sa social media, may mga delivery na masakit talaga, no? Pero yung ginawa nyo kasi, for public display yan. Expect kayo na may public criticism. Pero ang problema ko dito mo, sana dumaan man lang yan. Sana bago nilabas mo, di ba dapat may group muna yan ng initial, di ba? Dapat, okay, bago natin nilabas, pwede bang patingin? So nakita yan eh. Hindi ko alam kung, boss ba nagsabi na pwede na yan? Dahil ba sa pera? Pero pag tayo yan mo, hindi natin papalabasin muna yan eh. Sa
Okay, hold
public.
on. So this is Star City though, right?
Oo.
So educate me again where Star City is in the tier of
Diyan nga sa
Like,
culture,
what you get what you pay for.
mas mababa yan sa EK.
Oh, di ba? We talked about this.
Oo.
So
oo.
the standards of Star City are low. The product is going to be low.
Yun nga. Pero dapat hindi sila nag-attempt ng ganyang mga proyekto na nag-entail talaga ng budget.
It's the food court of the restaurant.
I know.
world.
Pero the expectation, kasi nagsabi ka, Pops Fernandez, katulad yan. Hindi yan si Pops Fernandez. Oo, kasi parang,
This is so bad. And yeah, they did apologize to Pops. Yeah, I remember I've been talking about getting maybe one of my sex dolls. This is not what I was thinking about either. Okay, let's go to another one. Here we go.
Barack Obama na yan si Paolo Contis. Barack Obama na mistizo.
Why are their heads so large?
Napunta kasi tayo sa sa kay Madam Tisod.
This is so bad. Okay, next. There we go.
Gladys.
Okay, so here's the thing. There's another photo of this one that when you look at it, like kind of front facing, it's even worse than this. Like this is not so bad on the 3/4. It looks terrible, right? But when you see it in the front, it looks even worse. This
Okay,
is terrible.
Mas okay ito ng konti si Gladys.
It's the angle, Lex. When you see it front facing, just go, sobrang pangit. But you're right. On this one, it's not.
Medyo may laban siya dito.
Man, this looks like a discarded mannequin. You know, like it's the mannequin that's been at ever for a long time. And then, okay, next one. Here we go. Dress is all ugly. Okay, look.
Sino ba to? Si Maui ba to? Maui Taylor to eh.
Is that Maui?
Oo, naman yan. Sabi ko sa'yo, di ba? Iba na rin
Is that Maui?
Oo.
What the hell? Really?
Oo. Medyo yung, di ba?
When did Maui have teeth like that?
Na iba na, siyempre, may mga enhancement na yan si Maui ngayon. Sa tingin ko, ilong saka lips no?
God, Maui looks so different. I wonder who she is. She almost looks like a different celebrity. And I can't think of it.
Active siya ngayon sa social media. Pero yung kamukha niya, kaya tamo, nandito tuloy pati yung yung mannequin niya. Kasi alam ko sino yung papasang. Di ba? Yung
That's right,
guide.
Shalani. Yeah, she looks like Shalani.
Oo. Di ko na.
Dude, that looks. I'm shocked that that's Maui. I'm still shocked at the original, not even the terrible statue. Okay,
Yung isa
here we go.
parang
Next.
may kamukha.
I have no idea who the hell this is.
Baka K-pop, K-drama na to.
No, I think the
Si Wilbert Ross ata to.
Rostom?
Hindi, Wilbert Ross.
Does that look like him?
Hindi nga. Pero yun na lang nakikita ko, naaninag ko eh. Kasi nabasa ko yung mga pinagawang artista eh. Unless, K-drama, Kasi yung
Who
nakikita ko
the
niya.
hell is that?
Tamo? Doon,
Man,
yun ang
this-
point ko mo. Yun ang point ko mo.
Okay.
Oo.
Next. This one's really bad too.
Oh.
It does resemble her quite a bit, but there's a lot of wrinkles on the face. I don't know. I mean, I know they were going for the very classic Aramina dimples and stuff, but the head is huge. Again, the head is just way too large.
Oo nga.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like her, but it's bad. This is a more Ronaldo type of statue. You know, pangit pero fine. Displayable.
Ang
Next.
problema ko, yung reaction ng mga artista, Di ba? Katulad niyan, si lista ko. Si Lisa makuha. Yung
Makakuha naman eh.
pero yung katawan kasi nila, hindi na dapat, yung shoulder ngayon, dapat inabaan mo. Yung isa naman, mahaba yung shoulder. Hindi na magano ng shoulder. Pero, madali lang mag-critic. Pero ito, medyo kuha to ng konti. Oh.
Yeah. Then the hairline, the pulled
Makuha
back
sa
hairline.
tingin. Ito, makuha to. Si Lisa makuha.
This is like those bad caricature drawings that, you go to the park and someone draws you and it's all this exaggerated flaws on your face. This is it in resin form. Next.
Pag nalaman ni Heidi rin to, yari kayo dyan. Kaya, bubuhatin niya to si Ampasain niya. Papunta na sa mga, alam mo yung mga, nasa mga comedy bar.
It's as bad as that Alex Ialo one. Remember the Alex Ialo one? The one outside of that restaurant or whatever? That was so bad. Oh God, this one's
Yung
terrible.
mga film na di ba? Yung mga film na import na.
Okay, next. Sino yan?
Ayan ang sinasabi ko.
Sino yan?
Namumukhaan mo pero. Namumukhaan mo
Is that Rian?
Hindi.
Is that Rian?
Rian Ramos ba yan?
When did she get so top heavy? And her hair's not
Oraw
black.
mo.
Is it?
Oraw mo.
That's not Rian. It doesn't look bad. But okay, next. I thought I saw Rian.
Si Francisco Bustamante.
Bustamante and
Si Reyes.
He looks so thin. Both of them are not that thin.
Hindi,
Bustamante is a
mga-
heavier dude.
Para mga Chinese alam mo yung mga nakakaaway mo sa
Is this from Warrior?
mga ganon.
Some brothel. Just a giant.
Yung mga nakakaaway nila Jackie Chan dun sa mga lumang pelikula. May mga kingdom pa. Paul.
Grabe, Bustamante ang pangit.
Bustamante daw papayag yan, men. Parang isa sa mga kalaban sa Kung Fu Hustle yan, yung mga ganun.
We got Kay here. Let's bring Kay in real quick before we continue. Hey Kay, good morning. How are you? Oh, we just lost Kay. She's grabbing something here. Whew. Yeah, this looks like Hopway. There you go. Exactly, the chat room. This is from the TV show Warrior, if you haven't seen it. This is a Hopway Mafia gang. Oh my God, it's so good. Hey, Kay, what's up? How are you? Oh, you're on mute. Sorry. Kay, the thing tunay na bagong gising. Here it is right here. This is like 100%.
Ano ba yung last mo? Sayang.
No. We got more. There's more. There's more. I'm just waiting for the Kay to.
Sige, para masaya.
Kay, good morning. Kay, morning. How are you?
Okay, good
Hoy,
morning, Kay.
Hey, radio show.
Oh no, naabutan ko pa to.
Yeah. Don't worry. All the good ones are done.
This, feel bad daw. Oh, that's Efren Bata Reyes.
Yeah, who's the other one?
Isa. Sino?
I wanna
Kilala,
say,
May ayaw ng hardware.
no. Hindi ko alam.
Oh.
Sino pa ba
That's the rapper from Chinese Mafia. See, Jeffrey. What's this? Jeffrey Tam.
Ay, hindi.
Django Bustamante yan.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, next. Next. Do we have any more? Ben? Okay.
Oh, Richard
Not,
Gomez.
okay, that's Goma, but that's not Lucy. So who's the girl?
Lucy.
That's not Lucy. For sure, that's not Lucy.
Yeah, she's known to wear Filipiniana a lot, right?
Yeah, but
Ba't siya
that's
tatabi
not
kay
Lucy.
Goma?
Who the hell is that?
Baka nga Lucy.
No way. That
Alam nga natin,
No.
kanina pa yan mo. Consistent din sila. No way tayo kanina pa.
sorry.
Parang nagulat ka pa ngayon.
Don is that Don?
Hindi yan pwede itabi si Don. Hindi pwede yan. Mas malayo yan kay Don. Oh.
Sabi ni Kuya, it's Michael V. That's not
Hindi,
Lucy.
oh.
That's
Oh.
not.
Oh, pero
By
pinapalusin
the way,
na.
that's barely. By the way, that's barely Goma. The problem is we're all our focus is on this girl. We have no idea, but that's a terrible Goma. I mean, we've seen
It
better in
almost looks
mummified.
like Tom Hanks, actually. No?
No, they did better jobs when the Egyptians mummified, their thing, and then they put them in that kind of like drawing of a. They drew what their faces like. Even those are better.
Sarcophagus?
Yeah, even those are better than this.
Sa
Well, I
tingin ko,
guess
Lucy
kasi
Torres
yung-
to.
That's not
Siya
Lucy
yan?
Torres.
Siya yan.
I
That's not.
doubt. Kasi parang di yan yung styling niya.
Or yung yung vlogger. Yung mayaman.
Ano to?
Small
Ano?
laude?
Small.
Hindi. Ano yan? Lucy yan. Pinagtabi sila
Imagine in a world where you cannot tell whether Small Laude is Lucy Torres. Like,
Hindi
how do
naman
you?
Ate Small.
Lucy yan, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Yan, parang, ayan.
I thought it was maybe Amal Clooney.
Napansin pa ng Discord yung daliri ni. Yung
And George Clooney.
Napansin pa ng mga Discord yung daliri ni Goma.
Why?
Ulo talaga itong mga tao dito. Nakapis daw.
Okay. Let's see another one here. Next.
Wala.
Okay, we're done. All right.
I think maybe the process is wrong. Parang ano siya, 3D print. Tama ba? Yun ba yung process nila?
I think this one was a resin, is what I read. I don't know if that is a 3D printed resin or if this was hand kind of sculpted. I am not 100% sure because I know 3D printers they do have like a plastic resin type of thing. But either way, I mean, whatever it is, let's not use this material again for this purpose. Maybe okay for a cast if you have a broken arm, but not something like this.
Okay.
Okay, Kay, I've got a question. If they made one of you, like, okay, we're gonna next batch. Clearly, we need Karil there, and it looked consistently terrible as all of these other ones. Would you be upset? Or, as I was saying before you got here, that it almost feels like a status symbol to have a bad statue, because some of the greats have all had bad statues. Your Ronaldos, your Beckhams, Dwayne Wades, all the great GOAT type of athletes. When they have a statue, it is always everybody makes fun of it because it's so bad. Don't you kind of have to have a bad one? It's part of it.
I don't know what to say. Because they really did ask me. So
Oh, they did. Okay. Well, how come you didn't say yes? Because you knew it was going to be bad?
Iba talaga ang Kay.
I
Naramdaman
don't
niya.
know. I don't know, Mo. What do you want me to say, Mo?
Well, no. I asked you a question. Why did you not say? Did you? I'm assuming you said no because we
Actually,
don't see you there.
I was thinking of a clip I saw of a comedian in America. Sabi ko, what if it doesn't look like me? But I wasn't thinking of the ones I saw here, but I was thinking of a clip I watched. That's not me. Parang gumaganon siya. Ako, what if it's like that? Wala nang bawian yun.
So,
So that way you said no. You were worried that it won't look like you.
Yeah,
Or did
but
you say no? I'm really
I did
struggling here.
say no because
Okay,
I
okay.
was
Yeah.
thinking of that video that I watched of an actor in America. Yan lang.
Ako, wag ako gumawa. Okay lang na pangit yung sa akin. Basta dapat pangit lahat. Para alam ko na yun talaga yung effort.
That was the goal.
Oh, yun talaga yung effort na talagang di na-achieve lahat. Pero pag ako lang hindi na-achieve, doon ako sa sama loob. Yun ang sinasabi ko. Kaya nyo naman pala ng perfection, bakit doon sa isang artista sa akin, anong nangyari? Minadali nyo ako? Dahil sa, doon ba may hire? Ako ganun magiging reaction ko ha. Di ba? Halimbawa, 10 ginawa. Tapos ako lang, ang sama ng loob ko noon.
What if
Diba?
it's like, okay, what if it's worse like say they did one for comedians and yours was bad,
I
right?
think that was the one I watched nga, comedian yun eh. So I don't know kung sadya ba yun?
Di ba may prank kay 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 Simon Cowell sa sa American Idol. Ay tama. American Idol. Hindi, yung kasama niya sila yung ginawan sila ng mga ulo tapos siya ang pinapangit. Oh. America's Got X Factor, whatever. Basta may prank sa kanya na ginawa siya na siya lang ang pangit. Kinulak niya nga yung ulo na yun eh. Yun, Sofia Vergara. Ginawan siya ng prank. Mahirap talaga mahirap talagang statue, mahirap talaga.
Is that true?
Is it because it plays, it threatens, look, and everyone has an ego. And people in this business, they tend to have bigger egos. And that's fine with that. We're sure. Okay, well, just don't be insufferable. Is it an ego thing though, Lex? It's okay. I'm famous. You do this, people are going to make fun of me. And I now have to deal with the backlash because you guys suck. And maybe that's why the manager of Star City had to apologize to Pops, because of all of the negative comments that Pops, not herself, but the statue was receiving, she's getting sucked in to that.
Ako sa comedian.
Is that what it is?
Hindi, ako sa comedian, okay ako. Dahil comedian ako eh. Mas concerned kay mga beautiful ladies and handsome guys. Yan dapat ang nyo. Ang comedian, kung ano man ang lumabas dyan, nakakatawa yan, walang problema eh. It's funny! Mga ganun sa amin. Siyempre, ang nakaka-apekto dyan yung mga magandang artista at gwapong artista. Yan ang pressure sa inyo. Sa akin di ako masyadong matutuwa dyan. Basta may statwa ako. Okay na ako dyan.
Do you guys, and I don't know if it changes for comedian and say actress, singer like UK, but, and please be as honest as possible. If there's another celebrity that looks like you, do you find that to bother you as well?
No.
No? And I don't know if there is one. I off the top of my head, I don't know if there's anybody that looks like you, Kay, or people compare you to. Your name, yeah, but your face, is there a celebrity that people compare you to?
Well,
outside of your mother?
Saturday, though, I really looked like, Friday, I looked like my mom. Like my styling was my mom's styling.
Yeah, but that's your mom. That's a genetic thing, So
I actually made fun of it lang. And I just say, like, when I entered the stage, I was like, no, it's not my mom. So those things that's not what you mean, right? But
not what I mean. But you did answer this before. You did answer regarding the competition of you and your mom, right? It's some months back.
But ang hirap lang ng idea na they'll compare, right? But there is a contest on Showtime na kalokalike. So is that what we mean? Or does it have to be like an actual actress? I've been told I look like Andy McDowell.
Yeah, you do. I guess you can.
In high school, kasi 10 lang naman kaming kulot nung high school.
No, I can see that. I think I am asking is if there were somebody in this business that you are like not compared with in terms of talent or success, or it's just somebody who looks like you. Does that mess with your brains? But I don't know if anybody does actually look like you.
Wala naman akong kamukha. Yeah. Would it mess with my brain? The idea that I really look like my mom, it messes with me in the sense na I'll just make fun of it. That's why I bring it out. Like, eto na, I'm out on stage. The first thing I say, it's not my mom. Don't expect.
Lex, doesn't bother you? Kasi yours is rangy. It's Jake Ejercito and si Istap. Yung pastor. Si
Buloy.
Si Buloy.
Mr. Bean.
You have two really extreme examples.
Tatlo yan eh. Mr. Bean, Kibuloy, tapos Jake Ejercito. Dami nag-message sa akin kung sino-sino. May congressman, may payag na ako dun.
I was watching a clip of Showtime the other day. I saw Stell with
that's from
Vice.
Like last month or early this month.
Yeah, no, I just saw it the other day. They looked alike. They actually kind of Alvin, can we get this clip? I don't know when this was. Well, no, when they're just talking. I was
Okay.
looking, I was like, they actually kind of look alike. They sound alike.
That's
There's a lot of like mannerisms. They're very, very similar. Can we press this? Especially this here. Look, I mean, you don't
Kasi
see
yesterday, I was having my free day.
So yesterday you were having a
Right?
free day.
Yeah, I'm having my free day. And
So
this-
during your free day yesterday, what was happening with you yesterday?
I'm feeling really great and I'm very relaxed.
Oh
Yeah.
yes.
But at the
Relax
same
and-
time, I was very shocked. You know why?
Why?
Spoil. You want to know
This is
why?
long.
Why?
Yeah.
My
No, but I'm
phone
just saying.
suddenly rang.
Oh my God.
And he
During
also
your free
came out
time yesterday,
doing
They're
when you were
very similar.
relaxing and having a great
Super
time.
similar. All right, thanks,
your
Ben. Sorry.
phone
But
suddenly
don't they
rang.
look alike?
I didn't think that when I saw
Oh, okay.
them.
I thought they have a very similar kind of feature as well. But anyway, sorry, Kate, you were saying. Thanks, Ben.
He did come out and do a bit from her movie. The one with, are you the one who showed from the CCTV? So, nakakatawa. So, even when he did that, I didn't think, oh, they look alike.
I don't know,
SB19
yeah,
siya, di ba?
I was watching
SB19. Tama no?
Yeah, he's so
Yeah,
funny.
he's amazing. He's a very good singer.
He's really good with improv. They have that improv thing. Ano to? Ito. Like, he's so funny there. He's hilarious.
He's got a strong fragrance collection too, Lex. Still does.
Seryoso?
Oh yeah, he's into it.
Still smells.
I don't know. Is that what does he have a thing called? He should
Oh,
be.
no, I don't know. It should be.
Yeah, yeah.
It rhymes.
Smelvester. I mean, that's his name, right? Stelvester, which is kind of a unique twist to Sylvester. But Smelvester would be nice.
Yeah.
Tell him, Kay.
Fragrances.
Yeah, that's huge. Yeah. So Lex finished his House of the Dragon last night. He was able to kind of give us his breakdown, recap, his review. He a little bit lukewarm on the reaction,
Wow.
but are you going to stick with it, Lex? Are we going week to week?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oo. Tapos magre-review rin ako ng konti para, kasi yung away nila medyo, although big, yung yung connection.
Maybe iba rin kasi na umpisa pa lang, boom! Maybe it was
That's what
a
he was
little
saying.
much.
That's what he was saying, and or something to that effect. I'm okay with it. Like I enjoyed how
Because
boom
you
it
like
was.
best songs first.
Yeah, or
In
Diba,
a
ang ibig sabihin,
concert.
sana continuous yung feeling, dapat yung dulo ng season. Season ender dapat yun para tuloy-tuloy yung build-up and then bam! Ang nangyari, break nila eh. Tapos inopen ka ng big. Kaya yung bigness, medyo naghahanap ka ng konting reasoning. Ano nga ulit? Ay, ano ba ulit yung pinanggagalingan niya? Ba't ganun siya? Ano ulit yung worry ng Prince, ni Queen? Ano ulit si Alicent? Ano nga ulit yun? Yun. Parang
Maleficent.
ganun. Yun. Bakit yung bata na yun pilit kinukuha yung dragong malaki? Mga ganun. Anong pinagugutan ito ni Jace at ba't nagpapatunay siya na siya yung di ba parang.
Yeah, the catch-up part that does suck. But and again, I don't really look into so much the order of the episodes and what a finale should look like versus a thing. I mean, I just enjoy all of it. And I thought it was an amazing episode last night. Again, highest rated House of the Dragon episode so far
Oh.
in its entire franchise was this
Grabe.
first one.
I know
Super good.
you're not for the grabe how they shot it, but wow.
I mean, I just don't have the
Well,
perspective. Like I think
All
that's
the
unique to you
elements.
guys
Oh
as
gosh.
artists.
Water, air, and land. Whoa.
Ako parang
We showed
ako
your
sa-
AI little thing, by the way, a little
sa
second.
opening
Sorry,
ko.
Lex, go ahead. Yeah,
Mali
sorry, Lex,
lang
go.
yung mga yung certain things like the trident should be different. I think what made Elena most special is her power with her voice, and I do that bit in my live gigs.
ako wala.
So that part, she was just like, woo. No, it's a chant.
Hindi ako masyadong
AI
kasi
could
wala yung
never.
mga walang big na character. Kaya hindi ako masyadong
Oh, you mean like a polarizing?
Hindi ka
type of-
wala
attached.
Walang character na wala yung queen, wala si long hair. So parang minor war siya para sa akin. Parang mga sa chess piece, ang pinadala mga bishop. Kaya medyo yung wala si queen, nakakulong. Yung nanay, nakasasa. Yung dalawang long hair. Yung si uncle, sa yung anak na isa, wala sila doon. So hindi siya parang main war para sa akin. Yun ang
You know, I never thought about it that way. Like when you think about the big battles, if it's a Battle of the Bastard, Jon Snow's right in the middle of it. You got the Blackwater. You got Tyrion's amazing decision making. He's a major character. He kind of saved it for King's Landing, right in the middle of that. Yeah, I mean, it's. I never thought about it that way. Yeah, some of the big battle scenes carry the biggest stars in them. This one, and maybe that makes it kind of rather successful. They were able to do a huge battle scene without any of the major players. Damon's not there. Rhaenyra's not there. Damon's not there. I still thought they were able to pull it off quite.
So ibig sabihin, semi-finals siya.
Sure, but that's why it's
basketball.
not the finale. But that's why it's not the finale.
Hindi
So
siya
let's go back to
championship
it. If this was the finale episode, dapat for season 2, then the finale would have not had any of the major players. Even the dragons, the biggest dragons, weren't there. They were the small ones. They weren't Vhagar. They weren't Rhaenyra's super nice white dragon. Even the dragon bidas were in this fight, and they still did it.
Oh, kaya hindi ako masyadong amazed sa laban kasi amazed, walang alam kung life will go on pagkatapos ito, mawala man kayo, ando doon pa rin yung mga queen sa chess piece So, sige, natuwa ako sa laban nyo. Pero hindi kay championship.
Well, again, maybe that's because it's the first episode, and we'll see. We'll see at the end of this one. It is 7:31. We got to take a break. When we come back, we'll have more of the show. You listen to Good Times here, Magic 89.9. Don't go away back after this.
Good times.
Wednesday morning, Good Times here on Magic 89.9, streaming also live on Discord at discord.gg/Good Times Radio. Kay and Alex are here with myself. No Bam this week, as we announced. He's going to be going to Tacloban this next couple of days. But good news, we have Mara back on Monday morning. So the group is slowly making its way back to full squad. But we got things that we want you guys to check out. So let's see, who goes first? Who went first yesterday? I think Kate went first yesterday. So Lex, why don't you go first today?
Yung mga nagtatanong, ba't ako nasa Iloilo ngayon? It's a private event. So see you later sa Iloilo. Pero meron kaming open mic tonight if you wanna try. Wednesday ba ngayon? Tama. Sa Sonado, sa Ortigas. And yan, yung mga gusto mag-open mic na aspiring stand-up comedian, makakasabay niyo yung mga stand-up comedian dyan sa may Sazonado Bistro Filipino. And tomorrow, nandiyan kami sa 19 East with the comedy crew. Israel Benobra, Anthony Andres, Kimberly Villanueva, and CS De La Peña. So, punta lang kayo dyan. Walang reservation. First come, first serve. So, yun. At ang Sharp Philippines ay mamimigay ng appliances. Pag birth month nyo, nanood kayo, birth month nyo, makaka-receive kayo. Punta lang kayo. And yung aming series ng Mega World Cinemas ay magpapatuloy sa June 26. Eastwood Cinema. Alex Carianda Comedy ko again. So, kita-kita tayo dyan sa Eastwood Cinema June 26. At June 27, nandiyan kami sa Turning Tides Marikina. So, kita-kits dyan. Lagi naman kami dyan. Pero sa Sabado, magkita-kita ulit tayo. And sa may tuloy-tuloy ng Good Times Australia, August 29 Melbourne and August 30 Sydney. At Singapore, magkita-kita rin tayo. Happy for All sa Singapore, September 19, Saturday. Kita-kits dyan. Available ng mga tickets. At ang aking birthday show, Happy for All, the birthday comedy special, kung saan ginagawa ko ang aking Netflix, October 2, Friday, Music Museum, October 3, Saturday, Insert Life, Tanghalang Haribon, Alabang, October 7, Wednesday, Newport World Resorts, October 9 and 10, Maybang Performing Arts Theater, BGC. Ticketworld.com.ph, available na po. Yan. At of course, wala muna dyan, matagal pa naman yan. Punchline with Alex Israel Benobra and GTWM, the podcast.
Are we doing one this weekend?
Of course.
Sunday?
Sunday ulit, Mo.
Sunday, yeah, let's do it Sunday morning.
Yes.
If you guys want to get on the podcast, send me a message on IG. Simple.
Okay, mag-cancel.
Yes, no. God,
Kailangan
every week,
makatulong.
like,
Kuya Alex, di ba? You have
Oh.
a show at RecD.
Yes, nga pala. Sa July 5, a Sunday yon, back-to-back show. 5:30 p.m. and 8:30 p.m. sa RecD. Ayan yung bagong restaurant ni Direk Eric Mati. Napakasarap na pagkain. Mga
So good. Namit
Ilonggos.
gid.
Sobrang sarap, promise. So magkakaroon kami ng show dyan. So maliit lang yon. So please buy your tickets now.
Sobrang saya doon. Maganda yung vibes talaga ng poblasyon. I love it there. It's there.
Oh.
what do you guys eat? Speaking of food, real quick, and before we get to case, what do you guys eat if you don't want to cook? You go to a restaurant, right? But if you don't want to cook and you don't want to go to a restaurant, what do you eat?
Instant.
Like Grab. My instant now is just make noodles really quick. Those Japanese noodles. Para hindi siya instant noodles. And then it's peanut butter and soy sauce. It's just like almost dandan noodles.
Okay.
Peanut butter and soy sauce is like dandan noodles.
Oh, you put it on the noodle?
No, you heat it and then you put some spice.
No, I know,
Or-
but it's for the
Yeah, and
noodles,
on
or
the-
you're talking about in a
that's-
spoonful for you put it in your mouth.
Yeah.
So what, on the noodle?
Yeah, that's my instant noodles, but
Oh my
not
God, I've never
ultra
heard
processed
it.
food.
Is this a TikTok thing, and then all of a sudden jump in, or is this kind of like a common
I
knowledge?
guess it's
been
my
around for a long
preference.
time?
Yeah, my preference then is I love dandan noodles, so this is like the easiest to kind of copy it. Yeah, peanut butter.
Oh, really? I've never heard this. You too, Lex. Instant noodles is the. I mean, God, this hasn't
bakit
changed
naman-
from our youth, then, huh?
Alam mo, pag hindi ako walang Grab, tanggalin din natin yun. May nabili ako sa Japan, yung mga instant Ippudo ramen. So, kaya Ichiran ramen instant. May naka-ready ako dyan. Or,
Pimiento.
hindi.
Nga.
Mga sandwich lang. Tapos meron ako lagi sa counter ng mga fruits. Ang solusyon dyan. Pag nagugutom ka, kain ka saging.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. Oof.
Saging,
Galing.
grapes, apple, yun lang.
Nuts, cranberry.
Yes, yun. Mga ganon, mga nuts.
You're nuts.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Bakit mo? Saan tayo? Ikaw, anong kinakain mo?
I mean, I'm just
Gummy?
Gummy
I don't know,
bears?
if I'm have a little bit more fun. No, I mean, if I'm not gonna cook, and if I'm not going to cook, and I'm not gonna go order anything, I probably don't eat or oatmeal. Oatmeal.
Fair.
Kasama na dyan yung yung mga binubuksang dilata. Katulad ng 555 sardines.
I could claim.
Sabi ni El Hero. Hindi mga ganun, mga tuna, yung mga open, walang lutuan yan. Maraming ganun eh. Pork and beans. Oh, yan
Huwag ka
na.
na mag-pork. Just get the beans.
Oh, beans. Isa lang naman yung pork dun eh.
Yeah, I don't even
Tambahan
remember
pa.
seeing pork.
Tambahan pa. Wala pa ako nakikita. Bira lang.
Buti na lang because that was a healthy thing. That it was just beans. Apparently,
Okay, what
beans
do
are so healthy.
Okay, what do you got?
I have a bunch of things. A new episode of K's Drama dropped last night. It is with Mayor Benji Magalong. We talk about good governance, and I'm sporting my airborne shirt. Shout out to all the servicemen and servicewomen out there. We talk about that a lot, especially the staff. Hi to you guys if you listen to this show. And I just want to say that the factory is almost open. Buy two and get two at 50% off. That's our family bundle available till we open. But after that, wala nang ganyang discount. We open on July 8 at the theater at Soler. Book your tickets now at Ticket World and follow gmg.productions on Instagram to see the promos, especially this one. On July 22, 8 p.m., we have a sign interpreted performance. How amazing is that? And you can help us open the factory gates to everyone. So just follow the page, gmg.productions, to see how you can buy tickets. It will be 1,500 per ticket if you want to sponsor. Somebody from Center for Education Advancement of the Deaf. And I think this is like a project that they have for audiences who are hard of hearing or Filipino deaf also. Yeah, because that's been a trend lately. There's usually a show or a couple of shows that have an interpreter on stage. Oh, cool. So they're acting. And I just want to say thank you, Fluffs Flowers. They keep sending me flowers. Look how giant they are.
Oh, is that a rose?
I am confused what the names are.
Nakaka-pressure ba yan, Kay?
Na,
Binibigyan ka ng bulaklak tapos ng iba tapos nakikita ni Yael. Anong sinasabi niya na?
alam naman niya.
Hindi. Para bang ba yung pahiwatig na, look.
A man would not buy Fluff's flowers. It's too beautiful. You wouldn't understand. Kidding! Now that's why I'm telling you to get it. Fluff's Flowers is available in Annapolis Street. They have a wonderful flower shop. Thank you also to Bello Medical Group and Peak Form. I had my Advolite. See the light.
What's that? Okay.
Machine. Just so you know, I haven't really done any injecting on my face except for pimples. But even that I stopped kasi minsan lulubog. But Advolite.
I agree.
Hirap nung lumulo.
Machikan.
Kita mo
Machikan.
That's
ba?
full DOM now. That's full DOM.
Full.
Sorry, so one more time. July 8th is the start of your chocolate
Oh.
factory. Yes?
Yes. Will I see you at the theater?
Sure. Sure, yeah.
Ay, napadala na akong email kay
Oh, yeah. I haven't passed it on. Mara sent me also.
Are you nervous?
Bam.
You ready? What are the
I'm-
emotions?
I've been rehearsing by myself because that's how it goes on a tour. So I rehearsed in Singapore. I'm rehearsing by myself every day, and sometimes
You mean by yourself?
with-
You just go in front of a mirror and you
with
do
Paula
that?
Pagio, like she's my acting buddy and voice teacher. Yeah, so we do lines, or I'll sometimes I talk to myself, or kunwari, if somebody's named Charlie. There was a Charlie contestant na tawag ng tanghalan. I'll be like, oh, there you are, Charlie. I knew you'd be in that darn candy store. So I'll just randomly do the lines.
Oh, and then people think you're crazy when
Yeah.
you do that.
Basically.
No, for sure. And is your knee going to be able to hold up here?
Yeah. I've been working really hard, and lately I've been doing more machines because I've been wearing heels, which I should not. Although kitty heels lang naman. But look at it. I did the concert of Augie Alcacid, right? And that's 2 days of wearing kitty heels. Your calves will hurt. So I need
What's
to
a
do. I've
kitty
been doing
heel? It's a small one.
Ganyan lang.
Can you do it this way, not vertically? just again, ganyan lang. Just do it that way.
Like this.
Yeah, that's it. Wait, speaking of, oh my God, did you see the clip? Was it Inigo Pascual who was performing on stage,
napilayan?
jumped, and
Oh.
then got hurt? Did you see this?
Oh,
And this was just the other day.
He
Yeah,
was
it
just on Showtime.
Yan, tumuloy
There it is right here. Look, so he decides to jump, and I mean, it doesn't look as bad as maybe like a sports injury, but boy, he looked like he was in pain. Let's see if we can see this. Where it looks like, I don't know if this is where we can see it.
Oh no.
Oh, welcome to K's World. Right there. That's oh, wait, he's still singing. Oh, I forget that.
Oh man.
That's rough.
He has a tour coming too.
Oh, man, that sucks.
I'm gonna have to show this to you.
All right, there we go.
Yeah,
Thanks, Vin.
to jump.
Thanks, Vin. All right, what'd you say, Kay?
I have to show this to you. He loves to jump. He loves to la la la. Although he runs every day naman, so he should be fine.
Yeah, probably not as young though as Inigo. I like Inigo. I think he's fantastic. He's
yeah,
very, very good.
and that
I'm
song he
not sure
wrote
if he's been on the
that
show,
one.
but he's awesome. So get well to him.
Oh, yeah, because he's going on tour with his dad. Parang they have a big tour. They were just on Showtime. Well, he was just on Showtime. Ooh.
Pag pogi, get well soon.
Pag, ano,
Pag
Ingat.
pogi, get well soon. Pag pangit, tanga.
Ba't kasi
Ako,
nagtatanong
di ba? Pag ako yun, patawa ka ba?
try mo nga, kuya. Actingin mo lang, tapos tingnan natin yung comments. Tapos sabihin natin, grabe kayo pag ganun.
Hindi, pagka komedyante yun, sasabihin nagpapatawa lang. Hindi dapat
Yeah, that's what sucks, right, Lex? I mean, like you have a show, right, in Iloilo. Is it tonight?
Oh.
And I mean, yeah, if you get hurt on stage, people think it's part of the act.
Oh, yun ang kagandahan. It's helpful and it's frustrating. Kasi syempre, pag seryoso ka na, di ba? Hindi kagad magre-react yung medic eh. Di ba? Halimbawa, ay, si Alex, oh.
Heart attack.
Di ba? Mga ganun. Eh, mahirap yun eh. Pero ito mo, tumalon siya. Hindi mo rin talaga malaman, no?
Hindi,
Pag-
kasi
pag-
parang
pag-
ganun
di ba?
siya eh.
Oh, yeah. So,
Hindi niya sinolid. Yeah,
mo
but
rin
who
talaga
wants
alam
to
actually.
jump like that naman din? Like,
I mean, he seems like an athletic guy and knows what he's doing, but it just could have been one of those things. I mean, just a bad landing, bones got. I don't know. I mean, it says here later that day he appeared at a movie theater. He was wearing a leg brace. So yeah, I mean, it's
no.
maybe not so serious than the fact that he's able to go out that night and still just kind of walk around. Maybe it's not kind of a K injury. in this case?
Actually, mine naman, it didn't hurt, but I heard it. So I knew to take care. You have to rest it na.
So you heard the pop?
Mm-hmm. You know, because Yael talks about NBA players. Buti na lang. You know, he says a lot of kwento about
He
things
knows
I don't
already.
under-
That's a torn MCL. Right there.
Eh, speaking of the show must go on. Ako isa naman sa kwento ko, yung nagpaano ko. Alam ba tawag doon? Lap. Di ba?
Aroscopy?
Hindi, yung titignan
Lap dance?
Lap band?
Tatanggalin yung gallstone. Pero hindi, yung tatlo lang yung butas. Di ba yun? Kasi kinorek ako ng mga doktor kapos sa Makati Med na nag-perform ako kagabi. Sabi nila, lap call yata, whatever. Yun. 2 days, nasa shooting na ako. Ng gag show pa yun kaya it will require, aragon.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man.
Ayun, lap calling nga yung tawag sa procedure na yun.
Calling?
Masakit siya, lap calling. Parang tinanggal yung gallstone ko, pero tatlong butas lang. Pero masakit. Ang problema, hampasan.
Oh,
Yun,
no.
yun, kaya yun,
Lap
2 days.
colic.
Minsan adrenaline eh.
When you travel, Lex, do you demand the accommodations be at a certain tier?
Lately lang.
Yeah.
So like, I'm going to Iloilo, it better be 5-star, or it better be this, it better be like.
Hindi naman.
Do you research? Oh, here's what the hotel they're giving you. Parang ganun.
Ang na-appreciate ko yung contract ngayon. Dati, sige, gawa na kayo ng contract ngayon. May gawa na talaga ako ng contract. It's stipulated na yun. Doon sa mga, para generic. Kasi nag-uusap-usap pa yung mga, mga prod or mga producer Nagko-compare sila. Pag minsan may variation ka, medyo hindi ka consistent, mahirap. So, ang ginagawa ko ngayon, contract na. At least 3 stars. Tapos, business class yung alis.
Wow, there we go. Yeah, I mean that to me, put me in any hotel, but the business. If you can give me a business class flight, I'm in.
Maganon dapat.
Talaga?
Tapos kapag mga short flight lang, mga domestic, kahit basta premium seat in front, mga ganon. Nakalagay na
You're
yun.
the one that's not comfortable. You're also the one that's not comfortable sleeping at people's houses, right? You did say that.
Oo, di ba? Except sa inyo.
Wow.
Sa inyo na.
I don't know. Kay, are you comfortable sleeping in someone's house?
Not really, because it's complicated. I had a very bad experience.
I think it's the people who invite. They're more okay with it than the people who want or the people who are accepting it. Right? I'm like, oh, Lex, dito ako sa bahay. And you're like, oh, God, I have to accept that.
Ang hirap kasi makitulog kasi kung ano aktibidad sa bahay na yun, sasama ka. Di ba? Kakain, kakatukin ka. Kain na. Mga ganun, di ba? Tapos pare, tapos kukwentuhan kayo sa labas, di ba? You have to be, tapos kahit inaantok ka na.
Now you're acting more like me. I mean, that's literally it. It's like,
May ganun
oh,
ako
okay, you wanna
eh.
come over? I'm like, oh, wait, if I come over, that means I have to talk to you, right? Oh, my God.
Social battery. Kaya, intindido ko si Mo eh. May mga limit lang. May ganun eh. Yung kasi pag nakatira ka doon sa bahay, di ba? Di ka makakaalis.
Yeah.
Kasi
Well,
pag
usually naman may office sila. One thing that I do remember that was really cool that I learned when I was sleeping in my mom's eldest sister's house is you do the laundry for the sheets. Like when you leave, you do the laundry, you prepare the sheets, and then you just, clean it. Kasi,
Yet another reason why I don't want to accept an invite, right? And now I have to clean the room.
yun naman kasi family yun. So parang and I'm a niece, so may understanding that, okay, this is what you do. Para lang alam mo that this is the part where you could help out, and that was kind of nice to learn.
Okay, ito mga question ko ha. Halimbawa CR.
Yeah.
Diba? May nakalagay na mga doon, shampoo, sabon. Hindi ko alam.
Yeah.
Of course, diba? Kung may
Kind of
dala,
awkward, diba?
diba? Kung
Tatanggalin
gagamitin mo yun, diba? Tapos yung basta marami akong question mamaya. May nalagay
Tuwalya.
Yun, yung tuwalya.
Is this
Yung
what I'm
pa.
like?
Hindi siya pang hotel quality dahil siyempre residential yun.
Or maybe sometimes they buy pa like all these things for you because they know that these are concerns. But some are excellent hosts talaga. Like they love to do it. Pa-embroider pa yung pangalan mo dun sa
See, but this is
tuwalya.
why I also don't like doing the Airbnb. I am not an
Yeah.
Airbnb guy.
Hindi rin ako ganun.
Except for Casa Esperanza. Ganda
Airbnb. Sabi ko, ano kaya itong mga tuwalya na to? Ang treatment kaya nila, hotel quality
Professional laundry.
o residential approach na.
You also think maybe like there's cameras and all of
Yun
that
pa,
stuff.
no?
That's the one. That's the one that gets to me. Like, I'm so
Diba?
printing about it.
Pag ginawakan ko na yung ano ko, ay, may nakatingin ba? Sabi ko, hindi ko alam.
I wonder though if what's more dangerous, and maybe people who are listening have input. When I say dangerous, it's those things like spying and all that. Is it hotels or is it Airbnbs? I think initially we would all think, oh, Airbnb, because there's no one is actually checking it and all that stuff. But with the Airbnb, you only have to deal with one gago. With the hotel, ang daming gago eh. Like so.
But they have so much to lose.
Sa
And
hotel.
they could really get in trouble.
Sa hotel.
So you think wait, the hotel's more dangerous or the
Hindi,
hotel's more
Airbnb.
safe? Airbnb is more dangerous.
Oo, kasi individual lang may-ari. Ang hotel kasi, kumpanya sila, pwede kang pagkakitaan yan, yari kay sa akin.
But there's so many people. It's so hard to police 1,000 employees.
Yeah.
Pero may sabi naman sila, below below, yung mga mumura yung hotel, delikado ka rin dyan.
Ah, talaga.
Yung mga hotel na cheap yan, delikado ka rin dyan. Motel, laban dyan.
I don't know. Jojo Les says in hotels, the staff can get in your room. They observe you when you're not around. They have master keys. I think that's another one, right?
Oh, pero,
Yeah, that's
pero
why I like
problema
double-
yun.
I
So
double
much
lock it.
staff. There's so much staff coming inside the room. Yung mga gamit mo, all the time, panty mo, yung mga ganyan. Hindi mo naman lalagay mo yung panty mo sa safe, di ba? So, at least with the Airbnb, parang feeling ko. Diba?
That's an idea. Mo, that's so funny.
Ang daming panty dito, ha? So, may passport at panty. I don't
Protect
know.
your panty at all costs.
I don't know.
Tendency. Ang tendency
I think it's
natin-
easy to say Airbnb, Lex. I'm with you. It's easy. But maybe you think about it for a few minutes. Like, oh, ano, medyo yung hotel yung parang medyo konting kakatakot. Mas
Ang focus ko lang sa sa CCTV camera. Other than that, talagang prone naman talaga yung kwarto natin. Hindi ko laging tinatrato ang kwarto sa hotel na private sa akin. Alam ko pag umalis ako doon, papasukin yon. Kaya nga, nag-aayos na ako ng konti, nagsisil na ako ng mga bag. Tinatandaan ko yung lapat nung
Cash.
nung damit ko. Alam ko.
Ano,
tanda
but
ko
they're
pag-
allowed to fold those, diba?
Oo. Pero pag sa... Ito pa ang problema ko doon, Mo. Ang iniisip kasi natin pag nakuha tayo ng camera, upload sa social media. Why if they're just collecting it?
Oh, for sure. I don't
Diba?
think because if you upload it to social media, then you have a trace. You get caught. You get incarcerated. All that stuff. If I don't upload it, I'm just here to enjoy it.
Yeah, may library ka, di ba? Very Roblo. Di ba dyan nasira si ano?
And on that note,
It's-
Kay's never traveling again.
No, that was actually my bad experience, but
Sa hotel o sa
house.
sleepover? Somebody's
house.
what was it? A hidden camera or somebody?
Ito, ito mo.
way.
Ito.
Where'd they hide it, Kay? Sorry, where'd they hide it?
Meron mo? Ay, meron kay?
Where'd they hide it? No, this is educational. You don't have to name. You don't have to blast the person that did it, but where
Right,
did they hide it?
right. Clothes. In a stack of clothes.
Oh, like they like a stack of shirts and then they put like a camera in. How'd you find it?
You know, people have instincts naman, diba? So parang when you kind of have them, don't ignore it and like go for like, oh, wow, parang why is this here? I'm going to check it. When I checked it, there was a camera.
No way.
Yeah. Worst.
I mean, no offense when I say this, Kay, though.
What?
It's gonna be offensive. Lex, is this again another thing about when you're really attractive, you have to always look out for these things?
Parang nga, kay Kikil, tapos binato mo sa akin dahil hindi ako attractive.
The worst
Midge.
talaga.
Like ako,
Ako-
I don't think anyone's gonna be recording me. So
Meron.
okay.
Hindi, because of yung kilala ka eh. Ang value mo, matindi. Mas,
I know, but you know how okay, look, Lex, we talked about this last week. that being born very good looking or being very good looking or being very attractive and just it's not as good. It might not be as easy and as good as you may imagine. Like you always have to constantly think about all of the things that people are trying to do to you at all times. Not just hidden cameras and all of that stuff, but genuine interaction. People trying to do something nice. Somebody buying you flowers. Like, Kay, it must really kind of get tiring.
Only because things like that set you back. Di ba? Parang it'll really drain you. Because it'll be like the trust is broken forever. And then it's just like, why? Wala. It was really horrible.
Ako bilang comedian, sa tingin ko yung pag may lumabas sa aking scandal, it will either be ignored or it will benefit me parang hindi siya makakapekto sa mga comedian.
That's such a good... Remember when Wally's sex tape came out?
Oo.
It almost was comical and then completely forgotten.
Oh.
Compared to other, say, celebrities who have fallen under the same kind of unfortunate plight, right? Palo Bichones or whatever. With Wally, parang, oh, look at that, that's hilarious. And then nobody cared. Because he's a comedian.
Parang ganun ang obserbasyon ko. Parang sa guy, sa may konting pabor pa nga sa lalaki minsan. Lalo na pag ducks. Di ba doon sila nagpo-focus? May sex scandal, tapos ducks. Napo-focus doon. Pero ang girl talagang laging biktima dito. Oh. Pero may kwento lang ako mo, ba't nag-avoid ako sa resident, sa mga maitira sa mga, alam mo na, mga bahay-bahay. Ako, nag-show ako, tapos, of course, nag-enjoy ako dito, pero may kukwento lang kung bakit. May swimming pool sila. Oh, sabi ko, okay to, sige. Mukhang okay naman magtabira dito. Ang problema, nung nagsiswimming, nag-join yung asawa niyang Amerikano. Ang laki. Tapos, may volleyball doon sa swimming pool.
Oh no.
Nag-volleyball kami. Competitive. Umi-spike. Yun. Siyempre, isama ako, pero sabol-sabol talaga ako mo. Tumatalon ako naging competitive din ako. Tumatalon-talon ako, pero may mga sugat ako sa tuhod. Kasi, competitive siya, competitive din. Kaya lang, yun nga, pagkatapos doon, pagod ako.
Hindi na-enjoy.
Hindi nga, pero kunyari, di ba? Pero baka, imagine mo ba ako na magbabalibol kasama sa isang white guy, tapos pareho kami naka-shorts na, tapos siya naka-trunks. Di ba parang...
Whoa! Sana nag-trunks ka rin.
Tapos 6-footers.
Di ba? Tapos may spike. Mga ganoon.
Ang ganda
Elena
nun.
says, it happened to a friend of mine. She's attractive too. The guy left his phone in the bathroom and naka-on yung camera recording. How do you do something like that? Of course, she calls him out and yung palusot niya is nakalimutan daw niya that it's recording.
Oh, come on.
That is crazy.
It's hard because it will break. Kanari, nakikita na ka, diba? Pero the thing there is that kilala mo sila and you trust them and you're kind of really close for you to be in that space. So there's gonna be like a whole drama. And I guess that's why it's better to just stay at a hotel.
Yeah. Titimbayin ko lang. Alam ko pinag-aaralan natin kung ba't ako mas pabor sa hotel. May hotel kasi may mga corporate policy yan, may boss, may ano. Of course, kung ano man mangyayari, sira-ulo na talaga yung staff na yun or whatever. Pero at least protected ako ng isang kumpanya na pag nagreklamo ako, merong liability yun. Pag residente kasi o kaya Airbnb, galawang individual yun eh. Yung ang hotel kasi chain yan eh. Hilton, Marriott, chain sila eh. Ang Airbnb, isang atraso ng isang Airbnb, isang individual atraso. Parang ganun. So, you're dealing with different individuals. Kung hindi siya owned by by a company, yung Airbnb, meron kasing ganun. Pag pumunta ka sa Airbnb, isang individual yan. Sunod ka Airbnb, isang individual yan. Mas malakas ang chance na maka-encounter ka ng certain individual na medyo may ganun. Yan ang sinasabi ko.
Yeah, no, okay. No, it's a thing. I was looking at Airbnbs the other day for
Doon lang
next
sa
year's
kabasusan na. Kabasusan side lang ako.
Oh, yeah.
Sa cleanliness, lagi akong walang tiwala sa lahat.
Talaga? Oh, you're like one of those, Instagramming, it's time for me to go clean my room. Tapos may dala siya sa
Hindi naman ako umabot sa ganyan.
staycation. Meron siyang like bag of stuff to clean everything for her peace of mind. It's just naman 30 minutes or something lang before her.
You don't have the
staycation
same
starts.
mentality when it goes to restaurants, though. Like these people in the back, small restaurants versus big restaurants, big chains versus small kind of, one chef owns it or cook owns it, all that stuff. Does any of that play in your mind as well?
Yung
It's the same kind of thing.
naglilinis ka sa table mo, are you like
Yeah, it's like the cleanliness of the kitchen. Do they really clean the dishes really well? Like that stuff you're ingesting.
naluto naman, namatay yung germs.
Okay. Of course, now, what am I? I'm promoting never go outside ever again from your house. Just stay inside all the time, right? We got to take a
Pero
break.
sigit ko lang.
Oh, yeah, go.
Ma-open ka ba? Parang bawa, may isang hotel, isang room, tapos naglabas ng series ng mga sex scandal. Alam mo, nagpunta ka doon. Pero hindi
Wala
na kasama
ka.
doon sa linabas.
Sira.
Ikaw ba itatawag? Kasama? Ba't wala ho ako doon? Lima yung, mas, ma-open ka ba nun?
I
Silently.
feel like this goes back to the whole, what do you call this?
Attractive, di ba mga gano'n, no?
Yeah, or not even the statue, right?
Di ba? Di ba? Oo, di ba?
No, I mean, I would be relieved that I'm not part of it, but yeah, I mean, like, why am I not good looking enough to steal a scene from me? Well, okay, how about this, real quick? Somebody died in that room. Would you stay in it?
Hindi. Alam ko somewhere sa mga room na napuntahan ko may mga namatay
sure.
doon.
For sure.
Yeah, but
May
man, you go to a
nag-sex doon.
hotel. Imagine you go to a hotel and you get admitted. You know how many people died in that room, in that bed,
Alam ko, pero wag nyo nang papaalam.
that week?
Wala naman, and that
wag
week.
naman. Yung naka-drawing pa yung tao.
You get that week, like 100 people, maybe 100 people have died in that room this year, and you're just laying there.
Malas. Wag na.
No, really, it's a hospital. People die in there constantly.
Oo nga, no?
Yeah, how many people died in the room that you were just admitted in?
Then there
Weekly.
are angels. Baka
Weekly.
angels na sila. Kasi baka peaceful. Kasi it's more like a timely death na instead of an accident.
It's 8:10. We got to take a break. When we come back, we'll have remaining hour number 3 of the show. You're listening to Good Times here, Magic 89.9. Don't go way back after this.
Good times.
Sue's going to be catching a flight pretty soon, so we might land a little early here on his way to Iloilo. Make sure to check. Oh, it's a private event, right? It's not a public event. So I was going to say check him out in Iloilo, but you can't because he is doing a private event there. But you never know. If you guys are over there, you might as well go say hi to him. Yes?
Say
Maybe not.
ngayong hapon.
Yeah, we haven't done a roll call in a while. Is there somebody
We
from Iloilo here?
should.
Somebody from Iloilo here. If you're from Iloilo, can you raise your hand? I'm going to give you a shout out there. Abel Pork Chop is in Makati, while Pat's in Valenzuela, Hyderoops, Toronto, Sakamoto-san, BGC, Alvin, Christchurch, New Zealand, NJ's in Eastwood, Paniki, is that it? Paniki? Tarlac for Aizel, Dindalions in Sydney, Australia, Chacha Maki, Singapore, Jet Pardos in Vancouver, Max is in Cainta, Pampanga for Petunia, Hyder Exhibit in Malabon. Oh, a lot of locals. Good. Kultupis in Melbourne. Bean is in Alabang. Hyder Asylum Breacher Laguna. Ryan is in Melbourne, Australia. Flies is in Waterloo, UK. Zeke is Atlanta, USA. Brisbane, Australia for Beatrix. Hi to Noy Kasoy in Bataan. Mitch is in Tagaytay. Hi to Link in Marikina. Hi, Kylie, Miami, USA. Sydney, Australia for Shreya. Hi to Mananakana. What's it?
Malakang pag-ulan. It's the spiel of it.
Denver.
Sam.
Yeah, Denver, Colorado. Un is in Atlanta, USA. Hi to Darla in Siargao. good times.
Ooh.
Where else are we going here? Santa Rosa Laguna for Tracy. Margarita's in Singapore. Danny Boy's in Singapore. Ellie's in Eastwood. Bacoor Cavite for Evan. Hi to Sydney, who's in Melbourne. Ralph is in Las Piñas. Hi to Danny in Winnipeg, Canada. Seki's in Wellington, New Zealand. Shibuya for Tokyo. Shibuya, Tokyo for Malola. Kyle's in Capitolio. Macapagal Boulevard, Pasay for Barbs. Drew Balls, Las Piñas. Hi to Friends is in Iloilo, Lex. There we go.
Oy!
Rockshay's in Cebu. Salamanderman is in Sydney, Australia. Hello. Kaohsiung, Taiwan for Yana. Venice. Canal in Taguig for TNL. Hi to Tin in Sydney, Australia. Riboflavins in Montilupa. Bananas in Caloocan. C. John's in Cebu. Dumaguete for Hadriel. Hi to Love Mallows in Las Piñas. Ontario, Canada for Marty. Lipa. Carson. Betcha is in Rockhampton, wherever that is. Capitan is in Tokyo, Japan. Alberta, Alaska, Cainta, Valenzuela, Germany. Where else we got? More Laguna, more Singapore, more New Zealand, more Australia, more Japan. A lot of Japan here today. Hi to Boricchio in Abu Dhabi. Hello, thank you so much. Where else? Any other cool places? Virginia Beach, Perth, Los Angeles, British Columbia. Okay, good. Sounds good. Incheon, South Korea. Good stuff. Thanks, guys. Hey, I saw this video. I want to break it down before we go here. This guy, this kid, I don't know if you saw this one, stole a phone from a church. Just like what happened to Sam. Sam was praying at the Notre Dame in Paris. Somebody stole her bag while her eyes were closed. And
oh my gosh.
I don't know if there's an extra place in hell for these kinds, but let's break this kid down because this is a really interesting one. This happened... Oh gosh, I know it's happened in the province, but I don't know 100% where. But let's press play on this. So that kid right there sees the phone, does the sign of the
Nakita niya na yun, kaya kunyari siya lumuhod.
and then steals the phone. Okay, so is he...
Nakaload ba yung isang ano? Nakaload ba yung may bantay ng phone?
No,
Ano?
there's
May ari,
no
nakaload?
one.
Wala doon, naiwan.
Naiwan. You know, maybe they leave it on the side.
Naiwan.
They did not like what happened to Sam. Sam was actually praying. Nakaganon siya.
Wow.
And then someone stole the bag. The sign of the cross, is that a move to distract? Like, so he makes it
think
look
so.
like he's part? Or
Yeah.
is he, dear God, forgive me, but I gotta get this phone. You forgive naman anyway. Eh. So what do you think? Philosophically, is it he did it to seamlessly, you know, kind of like a camouflage himself?
Because he yung path, yung flight path niya, makikita mo na ano siya?
Let's look at it again, Alvin, without the audio, though, if we can. One more time. No, but no audio, just because so we can kind of commentate over it. He does the thing where, you know, when you go to the center of the...
Yes, yan yun.
Yeah, you do that.
Genuflect in the middle.
Yeah, the right. So he can steal it right there. He doesn't have to genuflect.
Baka force of
Tama yung ginawa niya.
habit.
Tama yung ginawa niya.
Yung ano?
Respeto yun kasi pumunta siya sa center, talagang dapat magko-cross ka muna dyan eh.
But he didn't do the correct genuflect. He did not kneel. The
dapat
knee
kneel.
did not
Let's say
touch the floor.
yeah, let's say he's not a model Christian or Catholic.
Obviously
here in this
naman,
case.
no?
So
Force of
Why did
habit kaya?
why did he do it?
Hindi
it could
yan.
be force of habit.
Distraction yan mo sa akin. Kasi ganito, nakita niya na may phone eh. Para makalapit siya doon, kailangan niyo mo lang lumuhod as part of the observation. Yung gano'n niya, tinignan niya muna, may nakatingin. Tapos sa kanya kinuha. Kita mo, papalapit pa lang siya. Ano na niya, nakita niya na yung phone eh.
You know he's a thief though, because he's so quick to make a decision. I'm stealing that. Right? So
Ayan o,
quick.
nakita niya na. Ayan o. Ayan o.
He checked pa his friend. Baka maunahan daw siya.
Ayan.
No, there's no world here where he's just paying his respects to God and then stealing.
Walang kwenta yung ano niya, yung side of the cross niya. Hindi yun sincere. Ayan o, tinan mo.
Hindi umano eh. Hindi.
Yan, hindi siya.
Parang sa Game of Thrones, hindi siya lumuhod. dun sa bagong queen. Diba?
Yeah, Kate, but I mean, not everybody does all of it. I mean, some people don't even do the Santa Claus super fast. Like, nobody's like ultra reverent. But
Ah.
No, you have to do that in the middle. I'm so sorry. But to me, you really need to bow and take a knee sa gitna. Because that's the
Paliwanag ko lang mo.
middle.
Tama,
I'm
tama
not
si Kay
kissing
doon.
rings, even though it's like, again, I've met the Pope.
Even when I have an injury, I would
Supposed
have to
kiss
do
his
that.
ring.
But
I don't
if it's like the altar and it's
Ma-
the middle of the church, I think you have
You'll
to.
draw more attention if you do it incorrect. If this is so strict, Kay and Lex, you would draw more attention for the crappy genuflecting you're doing.
Hindi, eto nga yun. Kailangan niyang gawin nyo kasi pag hindi niya ginawa yun, pangit yung tatayo lang siya sa gitna. It seems may observan siya.
Di naman
Yeah.
niya kailangan pumunta sa gitna. He could have stole it halfway into the pew and head out. He passes the phone to genuflect, then comes back and gets it.
Eto mo may dalawang klase na hindi siya magkakaproblema siya. Pag naglakad lang siya tapos kinuha niya, halatang nagmamadali siya, ba't siya yumuko doon? Ngayon, pag pumasok siya doon sa loob ng upuan, kailangan niya magdasal ng mas matagal. Kasi paupo ka doon, hindi ka pwede pumasok doon. Then pag all of a sudden,
here's my
labas ka.
question. Okay, here's my question. How would you have stolen this phone?
Ako, ang gagawin ko,
How would you have you stolen this phone in this church?
pag bumalik
on that-
tayo doon sa video, titignan ko nga kung may luhuran sa likod nung upuan. Ayan,
Wala.
luluhod
Meron.
ako dyan.
Papray ka pa.
Ah,
Ikapray
and
niya lang eh.
and then you're gonna reach over.
Ayan na, hindi na, nasa ilalim, may butas sa ilalim yan, no?
Yeah.
Ano? Luluhod ako doon. Pag luhod ko doon, mas maganda yon.
But
That's a good one. That's a
may
good one.
tropa kasi siyang kasama, kaya chinecheck din niya eh. Kasi malahalata siya. Pag nag-pray siya ulit, di bakit, bro, kapipray lang natin sa rap, magpipray ka ulit dito. May something dyan, no? Kaduda-duda na.
I mean, if it were me, I would be more demonstrative. Like, oy, naiwan ko yung phone ko. You know, I'm just gonna say that.
Worst thief!
Hindi, sa tingin ko, Sa tingin ko magnanakaw sila, Kay.
Salamat, Lord. Sorry.
Yeah,
Isa-
pero yung klase nilang magnanakaw, it would seem na parang wina-one-up pa rin nila yung isa't isa.
Hindi, ako sa tingin ko,
No
ano
honor
sila,
among thieves.
nag-oobserbahan sila lahat dyan, umiikot-ikot sila for something. Kasi,
You think people do that? You think that there are a group of criminals that just go from church to church and
Oh
just
my
looking for
Lord.
things that people are? That's awesome.
yes, you go to the unexpected place.
Well, no, the expected place, right? Like, people are leaving their phones
Off
because
guard,
they're sitting there
yeah.
for an hour.
Oo nga.
That's right, no? That's why I love Singapore. It's communion time. Leave your bag with everything in it.
Ayan.
How do you steal this phone, Kay?
I like yours. Ay, Diyos ko! Andito lang pala!
Sa simbahan ka pa nagaganyan. Thank you, Lord!
Bait talaga ng Diyos sa akin.
Oh my
Ako
gosh.
nuluhod ako dun sa isa talagang.
Naging.
Pero pinakamabilis na response sa dasal yun. Bili mo kung talagang halimbawa nagdasal lang siya, sincere, hindi niya nakita yung phone, pag yuko niya lang, sana. Halimbawa lang, alam ko nakita niya na yung phone eh. Pero pag yuko, Lord, sana po mabigyan niyo po ako ng phone. Oh!
Blessing.
And then you open it, may picture ng mga bata, ng
Diba?
mga family.
My God, pinadaan niyo pa sa ibang tao.
Blessings. Thank you.
Oh.
But best not to steal. What about, getting jobs and doing
Kaya-
buying
Kaya sa mga
things.
tao dyan, dapat ang cellphone nyo, may may habit na kayo, na para pagka naiwan nyo, malalaman nyo kagad na may kulang. Kaya lang, ano yan eh.
Like check
Yeah.
yourself.
Hindi, ibig sabihin, may habit kayo na, parang may kilos yan eh, na pag alam mo, parang may wala yung phone ko, yun ang ginagawa ko.
Balik
You-
agad.
Yeah, well, the guys do that. Guys know this, and it's a male thing. You know not to leave your phone if your girlfriend is around. Like it's almost innate. If we can have that same energy for our phone always, we'll never lose a phone.
We're never losing.
Guys don't lose
Yeah.
phones. Guys don't lose phones. Girls lose phones.
I lost my phone one time in school.
Yeah,
and
see? You're a girl.
It,
You don't lose
it had a cross in it. Like that was my charm. And sinole.
Yeah, Singapore.
No, Philippines.
Sige, May ito, pasensya na nakwento ko na to. Hindi ko pa nakakwento to Ito, sasabihin ko lang sa'yo. Pero matagal na matagal. Baka mamaya matandaan mo to. 19 ano to? 1990s. Hindi. Wait. Mga 1998, 1999, mga ganon. Yung, alam niyo yung phone ng Nokia, yung may bilog sa ilalim, tapos square. Di ba may ganong phone, yung parang circle, naglabas yung Nokia na ganon?
Is that the 5510
Oh,
or
yun.
5510.
Yeah, something like that. Okay.
Nagpunta ako sa Shakey's Makati Cinema Square. Kung sino ka man,
Okay.
matagal na to, ilang years na to,
Okay.
wala pa ako sa nakita ko sa table, naiwan yung phone. Kinuha ko yun, walang isang yun. Tapos dumiretso na kagad ako sa Makati Square sa ilalim, binenta ko kagad.
Oh no, why?
Nabenta ko ng 3,500.
Why? Isoli mo yun. Did you see the name?
Hindi ko na tinignan. Ayoko ma-attach.
Kuya Alex.
Pagkuha, walang tingin. Diretso kagad sa ilalim, Makati Cinema Square, binenta ko kagad.
Oh,
Tapos sabi niya, mga picture, sir. Delete mo lahat. Di ba tatanungin sa'yo yun? Di ba? Wala pa yung mga security code nun eh.
Ano to? May mga picture ng hotel sa loob ng hotel.
Ayoko nakakalimut. Ano yan, sir? O kaya may dalawang step sa Makati Square eh. Papareset mo. Reset mo muna. Pag reset mo, saka mo ibenta.
Why did you do it? No guilt. Till today, you don't even seem guilty.
Ha?
You were in your 20s.
May
I'm
mga
so
panahon pa.
sad.
Sorry na.
I'm so sad. Ang taas pa naman tingin ko sa'yo. You were almost my favorite Alex.
Nag-giveaway naman siya.
Nagbagong buhay naman ako, okay.
Oo.
Oh, man.
Pero yung 3,500, donate ko sa charity. O, paano?
The end does not justify the means.
It says it does because somebody else would have stolen it and not do that.
You don't know
Itong phone na to. Yan.
Alex. Okay, true story though. No, okay, what did you do with the money? Seryoso, what did you do with the money? Sabihin mo nga, spakol. Sabihin mo,
No.
bar. Sabihin mo, mot-mot.
Wala. May asawa na ito.
Ang hirap kasi nasa podcast na kasi itong radyo na to. Dati madali lang mag-share. Ngayon, nare-review.
Diyan, pa ata ako niyan eh. Hindi ko na ma-recall.
You know what you did with
Best
the money?
answer.
May mag-message sa akin. Hindi ko pala nag-gano ng 360. Hindi na sa mesa eh. Katabi ng katabi ng mga pinagkatirang mga pagkain.
Oh.
Yeah.
Naantay pa naman niya yung text ko, nakuha niya yung trabaho niya sa abroad.
Because they're those are the old Nokias when there's no pictures, there's no background photo, anything like that.
Oh.
Let's take the old Alex who would do that in the modern time. The phone is there. You've determined you were going to steal it. You have it. You turn it on, and it's a picture of a mom with 2 children.
Oh, single mom.
Single mom, 2 kids.
Oh, no.
Ay, unang-una ko na.
5,000.
Hindi, ang gagawin ko na noon, marami na nangyari yung mga cellphone. Nire-report ko sa waiter. Waiter, may cellphone na
Okay,
kayo. Dito
okay.
baka balikan na may-ari yan.
No. We're taking
Yan muna.
old Alex though. This is
Ah,
not
old
this is
Alex.
not the current. Old Alex is going to steal this phone. You turn it on, but then you see that there's a picture there. What do you do?
Delete all. Mabilis na ngayon ang system. Dati, delete all.
Oh.
Delete all contacts. Tatry kong i-reset. Factory reset.
35 ulit.
Pag may pin, punta muna ulit ako doon. May mga nagre-reset na ngayon eh.
Oh.
Oh, okay. So you could. Okay, that was my next question. Is phone theft still worth it? Because
Wala.
you can't crack into it, right?
yeah.
Wala na ngayon. Solid ka na ngayon.
Yeah.
Kaya yung mga nag-i-snatch ng phone.
Yeah.
So wala na. Humina na, bumaba na rin ang kaso ng snatching ng phone. Dahil alam nila yung technology, ma-find my phone ka pa. Di ba nangyari yan kay Myrtle? Hindi ko alam kung nabalik pa kay Myrtle.
Look, I mean, you're right. Maybe snatching is at an all-time low because I can't even take your wallet anymore. Everything's
Hindi
digital. I can't steal your bag. There's nothing inside. So everything is just so digital in a good way that snatching numbers must be down.
Ooh.
Malamang ganyan niya. Ay lang natutulong ng high-tech din eh. Di ba? Bisit na bisit yung mga snatcher dyan, sigurado, no?
Yeah.
Yung Find My Phone na lang eh, masusundan ka talaga eh. Masusundan ka talaga eh kung nasaan ka. Grabe biro mo. Kaya wala nang snatching ngayon eh.
Yeah.
Kaya motor-motor ngayon ang agawan.
Oh.
Steal the motor.
Motor-motor ang agawan ngayon.
Oh no.
Totoo. Yan ang mga ano ngayon.
Yeah, I wonder if petty criminals must be upset right now.
Oo.
Being
Makukuha
petty,
ka.
right? Like not the heinous ones, not the stabbing, killing, raping types. I'm talking about just the petty criminals. I'm like, God, I'm bored.
Ang iba raw nag-i-snatch tapos ibabalik for reward.
Oh, bigger.
Kunyari napulot, mga ganun daw.
Kaya lang, i-change mo ngayon yung look mo. Kasi may
Just
look
that all that
and
all
your
that
demeanor.
all that trouble for what? 5% value of the phone, 10% value,
Some people
500.
are so
maybe?
desperate, they give a good, like,
30,000 yung
reward.
binigay yata ni Myrtle yung cosplayer.
Oh man.
32. Minsan mabalik lang eh. Ang hassle kasi niyan pag na hold up ka, yung mga IDs na ipaprocess.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's tough.
Black yung credit card, black yung di ba?
Yeah, that's annoying.
Tapos ang laman lang ng wallet, 50 pesos, pampaswerte lang. Pero wala na ngayon masyadong may pera sa wallet eh.
Oh, pampaswerte lang.
Di ba pag nagregalo ka ng wallet at may pera,
Yeah.
yung mo gagastusin yung naglagay ng pera na yun.
I don't even remember the last time I put a wallet in my pants.
Di ba?
Talaga?
Yeah, I
Do you use your watch? What if you're low bat though? How do you
I don't even. I mean, it depends on which watch. It depends on what I feel that day, which one I'm using. But even that, I just don't carry anything anymore.
Oh.
Oh,
Yun nga, di ba
you
may
were in the
wallet na?
future.
Di ba may phone wallet na doon na yung credit card mo tapos may GCash na,
I
NBT,
can't.
video.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
luma.
Yeah,
Wala
nothing.
na.
Even my car opens but without keys, right? So
Oh.
I don't have anything.
That's amazing.
It's kind of weird.
But your car doesn't fly. I mean, if we're talking about Back to the Future,
I
hindi.
can make it happen. I don't know. I mean, I can Inigo Pascual it off of the thing. May injure ako.
May question na ako. Pag sa Pilipinas ako, hindi ko alam kung meron na ba dito yung mga, yung wallet na linalagay mo doon yung mga card mo safely. Kasi sa ibang bansa, meron na eh. Dito, meron na ba? Baka hindi ko lang alam.
RFID
Hindi,
wallets,
di ba
stuff
may
like that? Or-
phone ka, nakalagay na doon yung digital, yung mga credit card mo, imbes na physical, nasa phone na rin. O, Google Wallet. Hindi ko alam kung gumagana yung Google Wallet dito eh. Ang cool sa ibang bansa eh.
Oh, yeah.
Card,
Yeah,
ginagano
yeah,
mo.
the way we do
Tapping
it,
your
right.
phone.
Yeah, so
everything's
wala ka ng
tapped.
wallet.
And even that, people have just like the way they cut credit cards and they kind of put it in their fingernail and stuff like that. So they just tap it now with their, like, did you see if you were going TikTok? I don't know if this is how much of that is like completely real, but it's very creative how they're able to do it, to tap on those things as well. Anyway, Lex, it's 8:35. Let's end it here because I know you got a flight coming up here.
Yeah.
To Iloilo.
Makadto
Fly
ka na
safe.
ng Iloilo.
How's the weather? Better?
Oh, it's
Ulan.
pretty okay. Wala na yatang bagyo.
Wala na.
Good. Okay. We'll see you guys tomorrow at 6 a.m. Thanks for hanging out with us. Have a great rest of your day. Have a safe flight, Lex. Good
Yes,
show
thank you.
as well. And Kay, you have a good day.
Thank you.
Cool.
Thanks
Bye, guys.
Tomorrow.
Bye.
See you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Good times.